Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, good afternoon. It's already 4:07. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock. I did breakfast, buffet, and it was very busy. Today we did the 140. Yeah. Plus we have function. Plus, yeah, I basically made 50 pieces of wonton or money bag. And 40 pieces, no, 50 vegetable spring roll for canapé. Plus we also made some breakfast pack 25. Yeah, so it was busy, and at the same time I am also doing the lunch service. But the good thing is not very busy in lunch because yeah, it was rainy. You see the sky. Actually it was raining when I went to work this morning. And then from time to time there is a sprinkle of water. But at the moment nothing. Just yeah, cloudy. Like it is going to rain. Hey, look at that bun. You can see that bun? Yeah, it's a camper bun for sure. You know, that size of bun is not good for everyday use. I don't know, but looks like it is very comfortable inside. You can stand inside. Yeah, already 2:45 when I sign out, and then I get home, I took a shower, and now I am here. I'm actually going to meet some people. Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, or I suspect that they are also a blogger, or yeah, they are also making video. It is very busy here at the moment. Lots of cars. Actually, when I get in, there is just one vacant space for my van. I'm lucky. And that is how it is at the moment. It is low tide, and yeah, there's actually a market here today. It is open from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Jimi Hendrix.
And most of the time I'm seeing are like decorations. I am able to vlog like this, yeah, but deep inside of me I am feeling very shy, very shy. Yeah, I'm actually, I don't want to hear the people, I don't want the people to hear my English. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Rene.
Rene?
Oh.
Robby.
Robby. Kilala rin.
Kilala kayo?
Hindi, sa vlogger.
Hi kuya.
Vlog
Siya
po
ang
kayo?
ang vlogger Bella. Hello po. Nice meeting you, Kuya Robby.
Nice meeting you.
Hindi ka nakahihiya na
Ali, Day. Mayayain
Pero
din.
yung telepono parang normal na.
dito.
Ibig sabihin normal, parang may kausap ka lang na ka-chat.
Hindi kasi ito, malaki sa kanya.
Oo.
Kaya pag ginanon niya, halata talaga na nagbablog.
Nagbablog. Thank you for the coffee.
Nice meeting you, Kuya.
Salamat.
Sige, kuya.
And thank you for this.
Sa amin ito? Pwede naman.
Okay, that's it. We are going home now. It is already 6:30, but it's still bright like this. And you notice a lot of people are online. Yeah, going to buy from different food outlet. There is a singer here. It's Asha. Yeah, lots of people. Yeah, the sunset will be still yeah, later on around 8 o'clock. Yeah, very nice. Look at that. that's it. I'm going home now. Actually, I'm hungry. Oh, actually saw Louis and Kat in the food stalls. They are on queue to buy Vietnamese food. I was actually a little bit tempted to buy the same food, the Vietnamese food, but yeah, I have food in the house. We are home, and yeah, it's already 7. Let's check this. Yeah, they give this to me. This one is Tita's Rosquillos Corazon. Also this Tita's Kai Kai. Another one, banana chips. Also made by Tita's. Taising Hopia Bakery. Who I meet is the family of Mrs. Bella. Yeah, Maria Bella Quintano da Kuy. And she also has a YouTube channel which is Blogger Bella. Oh, the quality of this magnet is very nice. Yeah, very nice quality. Yeah, she actually gave me this. It's a lot of copy. It's heavy. Yeah, Mokona. This is one of the most expensive coffee brand here in Australia. Actually, I'm hungry now. I don't know if this rice is still good. Let's see. Oh, it's still good. Yeah, I'll just reheat it. And then I still have this chicken. I'll just microwave it. The time is running very fast. The day is running very fast. Yeah, today is Saturday. And then tomorrow again will be my last day at work. And day off again for 2 days. I don't know if Inigo is going to invite me again to go for camping. This is my dinner. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it's already 3 o'clock. I already took a shower. Today I work from 6 o'clock. Like always, I did breakfast. My eyes is a little pain. Maybe there is a piece of eyelash. Yeah, I'm preparing my lunch. Good morning, guys. It is now 8:25. We are going out. I am day off today. I'm going to bring these cookies. Yeah, this is coming from Mrs. Belia. And we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Yeah, I'm just going to the post office.
Entering time-lapse mode.
So basically, I'm going to send this. Yeah, it's a tripod, monopod for GoPro. And then I'm also going to give a pre of this folding finger for the GoPro. The purpose of this is for the GoPro to be able to use with a regular tripod, not just the quick release tripod. Yeah, it's $39. This keyboard and mouse. I bought this new mouse. Yeah, because the connector, the Bluetooth connector of my mouse in the van was broken by my table. Basically, this is the one. Yeah, the broken one. Yeah, what happened is it was stuck in between of this, so I won't be able to put it inside of this anymore. It means that I need to change the mouse and the keyboard, and that's why I bought this cheap wireless keyboard and mouse. So this is the keyboard, and it's small, working very well, very nice. Okay, that's it. I am going home now. Actually, I'm going to Newcastle. Yeah, I have something to attend later at 6 o'clock. The time now is almost 4 o'clock. Okay, we are home. It's already 4:05. Yeah, I'm going to eat, take a shower, and then we go again. I actually have this. Yeah, leftover last night. I'll just reheat it. Well, I take a shower first before going to eat while reheating that one. I'm ready to go. Already took a shower, but I am eating at the moment. This rice and egg. It's still almost steam rice, but it's actually already 4:30. Actually, I'm going to eat it in the bun. Then this I will wash it later. I went back to the house 2 times to get my cup, and then the second time to get this passport, my Australian passport. Yeah, because I don't know, because maybe they will ask for Australian identification. Going to stop in this cappuccino cafe, to buy some Pride items. Oh no, it's actually closed. Yeah, until 2 p.m. only every Monday. And now I realized that this actual place, this particular place, is actually called the Fern Bay. There is actually some people inside, and they are curious. They are looking at me, probably because I took a video of the date of the schedule. And where I am actually going is a kind of information session, for my future, I think. But until this moment, I'm still doubting myself if I am going to continue or going to back up. Because I am expecting that most of the people there are younger people and the original Australian. But I'm just courageous enough for something like this. I feel that everybody is equal, when it comes to something like this. The same like when I'm applying for a job and I know my qualification. I mean, it depends on my feeling. It's almost a year now, or maybe 6-7 months, that I always wanted or thinking of joining this information session. But I'm just not very eager to to attend. So basically I am planning to attend when I am day off. Sometimes I am looking for an opportunity during my day off, but I can't really find. There's no proper right timing. But like what I've said, I'm not really eager, so I'm not requesting for a day off to attend. So I'm just relying on destiny for me to attend. And last night I was checking the schedule, and since I am day off today, so I decided to register. And it's going to be later at 6 o'clock. The time now is 5:20, and we are already now here in the area of Newcastle, in the almost city center. And so I had the chance, and I am going to attend now. But to be honest, I'm not really sure yet. I mean, I still have the option to back up. And we are now here in Newcastle, actually Market Town, the name of the place. Where there is a small shopping mall, Big W, Woolworths, groceries. But I'm not going to bring this camera. The time now is already 5:41, and the place is actually just walking distance. If in case I need to record, I will just use my mobile phone. I hope there is a free food in that place. Oh wow, nice. The setup is very clean inside. It's the same Volkswagen Transporter. As I was saying, I hope there is a free food in that information session, because I'm very hungry now. I have no time to eat that rice that I brought. That one is University of Newcastle, and there is another building here. Just now I realized this one actually. It's also the University of Newcastle. It is written there. But the main university is in the Kalagham. Kalagham or Kalangham? Okay, the information session is finished, and the time now is 7:47. We are here basically at the this is Honeysuckle, the name of the place, and there is a tram station on that side, and the bus station, bus terminal, like a main terminal. And that is also the last stop of the train coming from Sydney. This is what I got. Basically, I went to the ADF, or Australian Defence Force information session. It is designed for people to get an idea on how to apply, how to get a job in Australia Defence Force. It could be in Army, in Navy, or Air Force. And as expected, most of the attendees are natural born Australian. I mean, all of them. They are look natural Australian. And I am the only Asian. But yeah, I did not feel any judgment. There was no pressure. I'm actually shy inside, but yeah, that makes me feel comfortable. And even if I am very shy, I was able to ask questions. I was able to deliver my question easily, correctly, I think. Yeah, and then when I finished the question, yeah, the officer answered, and I'm satisfied. And then I look around, and yeah, it feels like no one is judging me. So it's good. I like it. I like this experience.